The same science that defines our universe and our world applies to the human body and our health. Suppression of symptoms is not a cure. Are pharmaceuticals the answer to chronic diseases? Side effects of prescription drugs are the fourth leading cause of death in the industrialized world. There is another answer. There are an estimated 10 to 50 trillion cells in the human body. There are 7 to 10 billion proteins in each cell, and approximately 70,000 water molecules surrounding each protein. That's 4.9 octillion water molecules shielding, maintaining, and hydrating our cells. More than 70% of the human body is water, and more than 90% of our blood is water. What happens when that water becomes too acidic? We measure acidity and alkalinity by pH, the potential of hydrogen. With a scale from 0 to 14, 0 being the most acidic and 14 being the most alkaline, our blood must maintain a pH between 7.35 and 7.45, a very narrow range. If it gets outside of this range, the result is a coma, or even death. Years of high-fat foods, fried foods, oversized portions, processed foods, carbonated drinks, lack of rest, high stress, anxiety, and pollution leads to acid waste accumulated in the body. Producing organic waste: ammonia, carbon dioxide, cholesterol, acetic acid, uric acid, fatty acid, lactic acid, carbonic acid, and inorganic waste byproducts: sulfuric acid, hydrochloric acid, and phosphoric acid. We expel carbon dioxide through our lungs, especially during periods of rest. Kidneys neutralize acid with bicarbonate alkaline buffers, processing 180 liters of blood a day. But research shows that as we age, bicarbonate levels in our blood decline. The plotted points reveal a definite trend. At the age of 45, we see the decline of bicarbonates occurring. At that same time, we see chronic degenerative diseases increasing. So imagine if your garbage collector only took 99% of your waste. You might hardly notice the first few months, but in a few years, the waste accumulates. To survive, the body must make a choice. Either deplete alkaline minerals from bones or organs, often taking calcium from the hip or lower spine first, or turn the acid into a solid and store it somewhere, forming kidney stones or uric acid crystals, developing gout and arthritis. So how can we replenish these bicarbonates and remove the acid waste buildup? Scientist and engineer Song Wang began researching the effects of alkaline water in 1986. He authored the book Reverse Aging in 1990. It's considered one of the most authoritative resources on alkaline water and longevity. There are over 100,000 copies sold, translations in over 9 languages, and a second edition in print. He also founded Song Labs, the parent corporation of AlkaLife, a company dedicated to providing methods of reducing acid waste from our bodies. He discovered that water ionizers can produce potassium, calcium, and magnesium-rich alkaline water. Drinking this alkaline water causes the production of hydrochloric acid, which makes the parietal cells in the stomach wall produce a reflex of bicarbonates in the bloodstream. This is known in the medical field as alkaline tide. In 2009, Mr. Wong worked together with AlkaBest engineer Michael Pedersen, a water filtration expert that developed filtering systems with NASA technology from the space shuttle. Their goal was to develop the best water ionizer possible with a superiorly engineered filtration system. We understand the importance of the water we drink, and now its alkalinity. Although we hear the term diet and exercise from our doctors, we know that they are overlooking 70% of our makeup. AlkaBest is engineered to produce the cleanest alkaline mineral-rich water to neutralize acidic waste through bicarbonate in the blood. Drink alkaline water. Reduce the acid waste, and the symptoms will take care of themselves.